Oh, hi there. I didn't see you for a while. It's probably been like a year since I last posted. So you see guys, there are reasons why I didn't post. One of the main reasons being I kind of didn't have motivation and I kind of just relaxed this summer. But also, can you guys see something different about myself? Do I look different, guys, today? Is it the weather? Is it too hot? Is it too cold? Oh, it's my hair. Yes, I cut it. This summer I cut my hair, and it's the first time I ever cut my hair after like 13 years of not cutting my hair. So it's something different, something new, it's something nice. I sometimes do miss my old hair. Well, not old, but like long hair, because like now I'm scrolling and then it's like hair ideas for long hair when I literally just cut my hair. So it's like, oh, maybe if I should have not cut my hair, I could have done these. But I just like my short hair. It's easier to handle. It's like more light, you know, like my head doesn't hurt. Well, it didn't really hurt last anyways, but it's whatever. But today I was deciding on what type of video I should make, and it's been a while since we made an unboxing video. So yeah, let's do an unboxing video.
Hi, this is me, and I'm unboxing the Rainbocorns Eggzainia Mini Mania. Will I enjoy the experience, or will it be just another crazy video? I don't know, anything can happen on this channel, so stay tuned.
This is a Rainbocorns Eggzainia Mini Mania. Yeah, it's eggs. There's unicorns. I hope I get that pink axolotl. If I don't get the pink axolotl, I'll be a little sad, but it's okay. So let's unbox. Pull here. So we're gonna pull here. Oh my gosh, it's kind of scary. I don't know why. Ah! I can't. You know, it says pull here, but it's actually harder to pull there. So I'm just gonna like peel it like an orange, you know, because we're gonna, I don't know. Why is this? You know, it was supposed to peel this way, and now it's peeling in the circular motion. Okay, so at the bottom there's like a thing that's keeping it in place, so I think you have to break it. So I'm just gonna break it. How do you break this? I don't know how to break it. Oh, you need scissors. I'll be back. Whoa, I got scissors, guys. Should I cut my hair more? No. Let's not do that. I don't know how to cut hair properly. But now we cut, and then we cut one more. There we go. And now our egg should be free? Question mark, question mark? Why is it not free yet? Hello? Hello? I don't know why it's not free, guys. Let's try to open it, because it's already like, you know, you see like the crack marks. Guys, are you ready? We're gonna hug it. It opened. Oh my gosh. What are we gonna get? I don't know. I'm just nervous. Ah! We got the panda! Oh, is it the cat? Oh no, is it? Which one is it? I don't know. But here's like a manual right here. So, and on the back is the characters you can get. And it looks like we got Dozy. I wonder why its name is Dozy. The characters you can get is Clucky Chucky, which is a chicken. Dozy, which is a panda. Axolotl, which is an axolotl. Romy, which is a cow. Zing, which is like a zebra, pink zebra. And then Odie, which is a blue monkey. And then on the back is, oh, you can collect out of the mini ones. There's so many. And then it's, let's see. So, since we opened the big one first, let's take it out. Whoa. So let's like pump it up a little bit because it's kind of squished, and it's been in my on my list of toys to unbox, so it's been sitting around for a while. So let's just realive it. And then inside also comes this little thing. I don't know what it is, so we'll see. Let me put this aside first so we can focus on this. Okay, which one should we open first? So on here, it says to reveal what's under the heart, you have to peel it. So let's get peeling, guys. Whoa, whoa, whoa! It's an egg chopping a bacon. I don't know why it's an egg chopping a bacon. I'm not sure what that means. What does that mean? I don't know. But let's open this one now. Little egg, and if you squeeze it, it's a little axolotl. Okay, so these are the two that we opened so far. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by its show. If it hollers, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by its toe. If it hollers, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Oh, guys, it picked the eeny, meeny, miny, mo picked the pink one. How is that possible? Okay. Let's see. So for the minier ones, you have to do the same thing, and you peel it. But the peeling isn't working, so I don't know why they did this. It's fine. It has wings. It can fly. See, it's gonna fly here any second now. See, it's flying. It's alive. It's alive. There you go. Okay. This side. Hey, get out of the way. Okay. So, can you come back? See, it can fly. Okay. So, there you go. So now we open the pink one. Let's see what's inside. Okay. Everything's flying today. Why is I'm not that good of a catcher, but so inside there's a blind bag, and in the blind bag it says Zuru. It's just the same thing, but if I'm feeling there's like lots of mini stuff, and I don't know what it is. So let's open it. Let me dump it into my hand. Oh, whoa! Whoa! It's beads and string to make yourself a bracelet. I was like, why is there so many mini stuff? What am I gonna do with this? Okay, this makes more sense. Oh my gosh, the beads are mini eggs, because you can see the little hatch parts. That's so cute. Okay, wait, let's open it. Let's see. My wrist is like right here. And let's save this for another time I make a bracelet. Okay, so here's the bracelet. So when you make a bracelet, the first thing you need to do is make a knot, and then you knot. When I make a bracelet, one thing I like to do is to make 2 knots, because then it's like more secure, you know? So let's put it like an egg, then a bead, an egg, a bead, an egg, here's my bracelet, an egg, very cool, an egg, and a bead. Okay, so we're done making the bracelet. It's gonna come, you know, it's gonna be like magic's gonna come. So while that's working, because, you know, I'm a busy person, I can't just keep making a bracelet when there's 2 more eggs to hatch. So let's just open this while that one's being hatched. No, not hatched. What am I talking about? I don't know. Oh. Inside is another slime. Whoa, it feels gooey. I wonder what it is. Okay, let's open it. What is it? Is it slime? It's slime. No. Why do you keep falling? You know, just sit on. Just sit. There we go. There's slime, guys. Let's take the slime out. Oh, oh my gosh. Okay. It's like water slime. Whoa. Fully. There's an egg yolk. Wait, is this a wait a second. Is this supposed to be part of the bracelet? Wait, guys, this is a part of the bracelet. Have we been able to take these off all along? Guys, I just realized something. After you cut it, you're supposed to turn these and take it out. That's how you get it out. For these ones, yep, there we go. Very nice. You know, I think they should put a manual or something. Or maybe the manual is already on the back or something. Yep, there we go. There we go. The little egg is out, so we can just get this and then put the slime in the egg. Oh, but it will ooze out though. Ooh, that's a problem. It's okay. It's whatever. We'll fix that later. There we go. And then we got the egg. So I wonder if this can fit here. No, it cannot fit there. So now that we've finally figured out how to do it right, let's just do this one right. You cut it, you twist it, you throw that part away, throw it in the garbage, recycle, reuse, reuse, reduce, reduce, recycle. Okay, so now we have the mini egg, the smallest one. We can open it like this. And what's inside? Oh my gosh, there is stickers. Oh, dang. Or is it, oh, is it a temporary tattoo? Oh no, it's a sticker. I thought it was a temporary tattoo. Wait, hold up, let me check something real quick. Let's see. My bracelet, guys, it's, oh my gosh, look at this. Ah! Let's wear it. I think I made it a little too big, but it's okay, you know, we can always like do this, and it's a fashion statement. I don't know, anything's fashion these days. It's this blue monkey sticker. There is the chicken sticker, which is Clucky Chucky, I don't remember. And then there is the panda sticker. And maybe I should put the stickers on here, you know. So let's see so far what we have, guys. So let's open it like this. So we have our little egg right here. We have our mini egg right here. And then we have the stickers. So let's put the stickers. But first let's put this like right there. Maybe I should stick it right here. Actually, wow. Let's put it right here. Oh my god. And then let's get, what's this one's name again? Oodie. Come on, Oodie. We're trying to do something here. Let's get Oodie and put Oodie right there. And oh my gosh, guys, this is great. Mini Mania, Eggzainia, Mini Mania, Lalania, Lasagna. No. What? Okay. Okay. So this was my toy review on Rainbocorns Eggzainia Mini Mania. So overall, I think it's good. Like if you have like a little kid, I feel like they would like really enjoy this because first of all, they get a plushie, they get stickers, they get a bracelet, they get slime. That's literally like anything a kid wants. But first of all, it was really hard to open, and I wish there were instructions. And if there were instructions, I'm sorry, I did not pay attention to them. But I didn't see any instructions laying around anywhere, so like, I don't know. I wish there was like a little bit more, like maybe in the little one there should have been like a little figurine that came with the stickers, and I wish there was like more choices on the beads, because really you can only do this type of design with the beads, and I wish they even gave us more string too. More string would be great. But overall, I'll give this 7.8 out of 10. It was fun. It didn't last long, but I think overall it's okay. It's okay. It's a good birthday gift. If you see it in like a discounted store, I think it's a good birthday gift. So yeah, thanks for watching everybody, and see you next time. And I hope it's not another